Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to Social Studies class. Chapter 15 Natural Disasters Part 9. Students, this will be our last session on this chapter. Okay. So in our last class, we started with exercise. Okay. And we completed with question A and question B. Okay. So in our today's class, we are going to start with multiple choice questions which are there in the textbook at the end of the chapter. Okay. I hope you all are ready with the answers. Okay. So let's begin. Multiple choice questions. Number 1. Children, you have to read along with me. Okay. Which of these is not a natural disaster? Options are here. A. Fire in a forest caused by lightning. Option B. Fire in a house caused by electrical short circuit. C. Flooding due to tidal waves in the sea. D. Drought caused by lack of rain. Children, you all know very well the definition of natural disaster. That means the meaning of natural disaster, isn't it? So, what is the correct answer? Tell me. Is it option A, B, C or D? Yes, very good. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. So, fire in a house caused by electrical short circuit is not a natural disaster. Clear? Okay. Question 2. Which is the safest place during an earthquake? And options are here. A. In the open, away from tall buildings and trees. B. At home under a table. C. At home on the roof. D. Under a tree. Yes, children, which is the correct answer? Safest place. Yes, A is the correct option. In the open, away from tall buildings and trees is the safest place during an earthquake. Now children, during explaining about earthquake, I also told you to, to take a shelter under a table. So, when are you going to do this? Yes, when you are unable to run out, then in that case, you can take a shelter under a table. Clear, children? But here option B will be incorrect answer, because here they are asking which is the safest place during an earthquake, and option A is given, that is in the open, away from tall trees, buildings and trees. So A is the correct option. Question 3. Which of these gets affected during floods? Options are here. A. Crops. B. Roads. C. Transport. And D. All of these. Yes, tell me children, what will be the correct option? Yeah, crops are affected, even roads are affected and transport is also affected. So, D is the correct option, that is all of these. All of these are affected when there is flood. Clear children? So, D is the correct option. Next. A cyclone causes dash. Okay, a cyclone causes dash. A. Floods. B. Earthquake. C. Fires. And D. Drought. Yes, of course. A is the correct option, that is floods. A cyclone causes floods. A is the correct option. I hope children you are marking. If you have not marked, then do the marking. If you have already done, well and good. Number 5. Deforestation makes a region more prone to dash. Children, in the bracket it is given more than one answer could be correct. Okay. So, deforestation makes a region more prone to A. Earthquakes, B. Floods, C. Drought, D. Cyclones. Okay. Here 2 are the correct answers. So, tell me children. First of all, I told you all the meaning of deforestation. Yes, what is the meaning children? Yeah, the action of clearing the trees. That means cutting the trees. That is called as deforestation. So, deforestation makes a region more prone to what? Yes, B is the correct answer. Floods, and even C is the correct answer. Number 6. Which of these will not help prevent a drought? A. Deforestation. B. Building of dams. C. Water harvesting. D. Afforestation. Children, try to understand the question. Are not, that means which of these will not help prevent a drought? So, A is the correct option. Deforestation. Here we come to an end of our textbook exercise. Now let us do something different apart from textbook. Are you all ready? Yes. Now let us solve match the columns. Are you all ready? Okay. So here we have column A and column B. You all are aware that you need to match column A with column B with the correct answers. Okay. So first of all, let us read column A. Number 1, tidal waves. 2, earthquakes. 3, tsunamis. Okay. 4, droughts. 5, floods. Column B. A, coastal flooding. B, underwater earthquakes. C, failure of monsoon. D, heavy rains and strong winds. And E, movement beneath the earth's surface. Okay, so let's begin. Number 1, tidal waves. So children, tell me what is the correct answer? Yes, tidal waves means heavy rains and strong winds. So D is the correct option. Okay, next. Number 2, earthquakes. Yes, earthquake means movement beneath the earth's surface. So E is the correct option. Okay. Number 3, tsunamis. Tsunamis means underwater earthquakes. Okay. So B is the correct option. Am I clear children? Are you all getting? Okay. Then number 4, droughts. Yes, Droughts means failure of monsoon. So C is the correct option. Very good. And the last one, number 5, is floods. Yes, floods. A is the correct option. That is coastal flooding. Okay. So I'll match it like this. Clear, children? That's it with this session. Okay, here we come to an end of this chapter. Okay. Until then, do take care of yourself and goodbye.